Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another day, another live stream. Today is 15th of March 2026, time 12:10 IST. Let us start with our regular day. Let's start the let's start our screen. Okay. So what did we understand last stream?
वाइट पेन से इसलिए आवाज नहीं करती मैं लो माई और बोलती हूँ
तो भी
कैसा
कर रहे थे
काम
लोग.
बैठी नहीं जब तक अभी चाहे हो हाँ अकेला ही था मैं
So what did we understand last stream? Let us take some notes.
हम तुम्हारा लिखा भी वो नहीं होंगे देखो
कहीं की वजह नहीं.
नहीं थोड़ी देर सोया ना मगर
अरे नहीं होता लो ना. आप सोचो. Notes. The OB strategy. One OB
कटिंग का आवाज आई
tab only once. Two. Once it is tabbed. Can't live video. Once it is tabbed, no longer trust in the OB. 3. During the phases of pullbacks or flushouts, we can see bounce. We can see a bounce from liquidity grab other than the OB. Full stop. Always make sure you align yourself with the HTF bias, comma the daily bias. Okay, so now what are we looking at? Anyone there? No one. Good. Now we have headed to the 4th of March London session. London session pre-London starts at 12:30 and here comes the pre-London. Now what can I see? Looking at the market structure, we can see that we have just now broke below the swing low, which makes it a change of character. But we have also tapped into this OB. So higher time frame OB means this is just a liquidity grab to push further back up. So now looking at the structure, what do we understand? If What do we understand? First, daily tap of OP means bullish. 4H, change of character. 1H, 1H, bearish but in a bullish pullback. So, what are we going to play now? We are going to play the structure. That is the answer. And what do you understand by the structure? Do we have any POI on the 4 hour time frame? One, we can tap into this FVG, means the highs of this accumulation. This can be the target number one according to the 4H time frame. According to the 1H, even this level is treated as the bullish PO, bullish choky. And what else we can see on an hourly time frame? We have this OB and we have this trend line playing out. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see this OB got tapped just now and we are getting a push up. Now, this was once tapped, so the next level we are going to look for is this one. If this works, then it's okay. Else, we are looking for 5,000 level. Now, looking at the 5 minute, so this is tapped already. Now, this is bearish, and this is what we are targeting. So, what we can see is one, the change in market structure. This shows the change in market structure. So if we head above this, then a retest back into this to this. But is it good? No, I don't think so. But even this range is around 400 pips, so we can play it out pretty well. And two, we are looking for this. By doing this, we can get a breakdown of trend line. Let's see how this plays out. सो जाओ कुछ नहीं होता हम्म स्टॉप mm, we got the London Open just now. What can we see in the London Open? This is the London high, and there is liquidity above this. We are still continuing the bearish market structure. So what we can look for is the retest into this OB. Let me draw this OB. Okay. We can see a retest into this OB, a push from this, and let's see how it goes. Good, good. Yes, we got a breakout. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Yep, we got a breakout, but is it sustaining? No. Are we in a high volume environment? Answer is no. High volume, but towards the other side. OB, tap into the OB. Is this just a liquidity grab? Most likely. Let's see how it goes. Now we are currently in a. Now we have to be very much cautious as we are in a low time frame bullish structure breaking the previous choky, and we are in this what do you call it, we are at the OB, the right time to enter. What should I do now? Should I enter or should I wait? Mhm. Okay, let us risk zero point 0.1 lot with my SL at 100 pips, TP 400 pips. We should break back above this. That is my validation point. Yes, very good. Well done. Now I don't want to lose any much. SL to BE. Okay, not sustaining above. Very good. Break and retest. A wonderful play. और थोड़ा सा. Ah, good, good. A retest. Continuation. Now we want to see the break of high. Looking at the minute time frame. We are good. We are doing good. Continue. Yes, I would like to take 50% off. Very well, John. Stop. This is a double top. I would like to close the entire position over here. Uh, so this was a wonderful one. What wrong it could have been is this could have been a liquidity grab. So all in all, a good trade. Now let us move to the next session. Stop. This is our NY session. Reset chart view. Delete everything. Okay, done. Text दो बचे हैं. So the same thing holds here. Iran war, strong bearishness, weak bullishness, but the bullishness didn't fade out. The bearishness. Good. Daily tapophobia, bullish, 4H, change of character, or it can also be a liquidity grab. 1H bearish, but in a bullish pullback. Now, this is the point wherein the 1H becomes here, 1H becomes bullish. Break of this would be make 1H bullish, and then this is our resistance. We are not in a high volume bullish environment, we are in a high volume bearish environment. So I should be very much careful with the buys. This is the bullish trend line which wants to be broken. Where is my last OB? This is the last 30-minute OB that needs to be tapped, which is 700 pips away. And on a lower time frame, we can see a formation of double top at the resistance. We can see a formation of double top on the resistance with this as a break of neckline. So my question being the same, are we bullish or bearish? Like, I don't know. What shall I look for if I am bullish, and what shall I look for? Oh, if I'm bearish. So to answer this question, we can be bullish from 90 level. So we have to head back to the 90s level, and we have to break this trend line. So how will we break the trend line? So this is the break of external liquidity. Yes, the point of break of external liquidity. This was the point of break of internal liquidity. Point of break of internal liquidity. Now that the internal liquidity has been broken, where do we think the market will head first in order to retest the change of character and continue down? Simple. Yes, we got a retest of change of character. Once more a retest. We got a retest of this breaker block. Yeah, we are still bullish. We got a retest of nowhere, I don't know where. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. We got a retest into this 15-minute time, and we have started going bearish again by break of this. Very good. I will be waiting for the break and retest of this. Damn, good one. A very good one. Double top, but new half an hour candle. Why would I take it the middle of the zone? Where are the zones? This is the zone. If I'll sell from here. But will my selling be valid? No. Why? Because there is liquidity over here. We might take this liquidity out first, and we didn't. Good job. This would have been a good move. We got NYSE open. I look for simple sells. Break and retest. No retest. No retest. Retest. Sell. Good. Very well done. Continue down. New early. Retested the same level. Allahu Akbar.
नहीं
नहीं हुआ.
नहीं
No. It
क्या
takes
कर रहे थे
time. Is it time pass?
टाइम पास
Like,
है ना तो
नहीं तो
और एक ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं
ड्यूटी नहीं होती आंटी ड्यूटी कहाँ की मगर
इसमें हाँ ले
नो ड्यूटीज
क्या है
ड्यूरिंग द
कमेंट का अर्निंग
पुलबैक
का
अर्निंग का एक और नहीं होता लर्निंग का एक और इट्स नॉट अर्निंग इट्स लर्निंग एज ऑफ नाउ ऐसा. So during the phase of pullbacks of flush out, we can see a bounce from liquidity gap other than the OB. Align yourself. Market structure is supreme. और क्या है points? Chat. OB chat one step no longer. the things I'll be looking for proton is what is proton?
खजूर दियो एक
A
खाते थोड़ा
higher
झगड़ा है दूध
volume slash bigger candles, comma slash HTF momentum is low setups, like we can go directly for break and retest other than waiting till the tap of the OB. Cross trend, opposite trend. Let's see how this goes. Good. This is my TP. Solid PE. We are out. Okay. We have retested back into this level. Liquidity level. Good. Mm. No break. This is my SL. Again, this is my TP. Stop, 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 stop. Where do we see a liquidity grab? Oh, we have seen a formation of liquidity, build up of liquidity, not formation. Heading into the London close hours. Yeah, we have trapped. Got trapped over here. Multiple retests. This should break now. Oh, yeah. Mm. Liquidity grab. अरे आजा बहन नीचे. Done. Very good, Amir. Very good. Allahu Akbar. Very good, Amir. Very good. अच्छा नहीं देखा ना Amir, you are doing good, but only you do good in these live streams, not in the real life. Why are you like this, Amir? Why are you like this? Let's go to another day. And those who are in from this level, they are up 1,000 pips. Oh, sorry, 800 pips. Never. Hmm. कितना 220 आएगी करंट बिल कितनी है 55 ना 55 55 not 45 12 o'clock 12:15 12:30 yes we are back at our time अस्सलाम वालेकुम हाजी भाई हाजी भाई 15 तारीख पहले 2 दिन की क्यों चाहिए मतलब हमेशा पहले नॉर्मल टाइम पे देते थे हाँ घर पे ही हूँ हाँ यही है हाँ ठीक है हाँ कैश है वो तो सामने दुकान वाले अंकल को दे दीजिए जरा ओके लेकिन एक बार फोन करके मेरे को बोल दो जरा आज कैसे भी कोशिश करो कितना दे ओके यार it's not even been an hour and it's just half an hour and I'm getting tired what is wrong with me what happened to my long work ethics what happened to me okay come on let's start again let's continue should I take a 5 minute break nah it's okay okay looking at the 4h again what can we see same thing nothing changed maybe we got a change of character no okay nothing else and looking at the 1h time frame what can we see we got a liquidity grab we got a liquidity grab over here and then we pushed up that's a good thing so does it mean we are still bullish I don't know maybe we have changed it into a consolidation but we have changed it to a consolidation and then looking at the 30 minutes even 30 minutes is in a consolidation with this being the high and this being the low looking at the 5 minute yes even on the 5 minute we are in a consolidation so what to do during a consolidation? Buys from high, sells from low, nothing else. Other than that, just sit on your hands. SL of 90 pips, TP of 700 pips. Damn. Just sit on your hands. Oh, yeah, we are at the middle. Middle of zone, do nothing. Yes. At the low, buy. Missed it. To this or even to this. Damn. What do we see over here? On the 1 minute time frame. We didn't get a push. We got a break of liquidity. A sell below this. Oh, 1H. Oh, we got a tap into this OB. We got a tap into this OB. Good, good, good. Did we get a liquidity grab? Oh, let's see. Do we get a double bottom? A double bottom. Good. Let's wait for NYSC. Okay, done. A double bottom. Then yeah. Oof, oof. Risky. Oof. Yeah. Bacha. But we are still in the selling momentum. Yeah. Mm. Okay. ना कर परदेसी हूँ मैं. अल्लाह, अरे सो जाओ ना नाना अब. अरे करे तो क्या हो रहा बोलो. आपको एक बेचैनी हो रही मैं कर रहे तो. क्या आवाज आ रही. बाहर जाके बात करता हूँ. अबे अब तकलीफ हो रही तो मैं कहीं को बैठूंगा बोलो। और बाहर जाके बैठ जाता ना, ऊपर जाता हूँ। I'm losing. Mm, mm.